Hello guys, what's up and welcome back again to my channel Times of Janvi. Please, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and for my returning subscribers, let my God bless you now. Okay, so guys, today I'm going to be making stir-fried pasta. If you want to learn how to make your stir-fried pasta, see guys, see the way this one is now, like this. It is not soggy, no water, nothing. Just stick around till the end of this video, and please, if you're new here, consider subscribing, and let's get into this video. For this recipe, we'll be using our spaghetti pasta, our powdered pepper, our green bell peppers, our green long beans, our green peas, our sliced carrots, our non-seasoning cube, thyme, curry powder, salt to taste, onions, soy sauce, mashed mackerel fish, cooked of course. Then we'll have our shaki, cow skin, aka cow skin. So guys, this is completely optional. I just decided to use this shaki because I love it so much. That's the reason I decided to add it to the food. Okay, we have our vegetable oil. So guys, firstly I'll go to parboil our pasta with the help of water, oil and salt. Parboil it for at least 10 minutes straight, you understand, but just shaking up on it to let the food not catch fire, make it no burn, you understand. So in an empty pot, I'm going to put in our vegetable oil, followed by our sliced onions, followed by our shaki, that is cow skin. Yes, because I want the flavor of the onions to go into the shaki very well, you understand. I love it like that. I'm going to come. I remember this shaki is optional, you must not add it too. You must not add it. So I'm going to start adding our veggies now, but I'm going to put in the hard vegetables first. That's the carrot. You know, carrot is the strongest, hardest among the vegetables. Okay, so I will followed by our long green pepper, then our green bell peppers, then our green peas. I'm going to start to combine. We'll continue stirring. Okay, yes, we'll just stir to combine. We'll continue stirring. Okay, to a certain point, we'll not let it go. Make sure the oil has coated everything. So after this, we're going to cover, or let's say we're going to leave it to cook for to fry for like 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to stir it again one more time. At this point, we're going to add in our mashed fish, mashed mackerel fish. This is parboiled. Okay, I deboned it, then mashed it, then removed the skin. I deboned, removed the skin and mashed it. Then it just to give the vegetable flavor, you understand. So I'm going to add in our seasoning cubes now. Yes, I already blended it with that mini blender. I just blended the seasoning cube into powder, into the powdered form. I'm going to add in it now. So followed by our dark soy sauce. You know that any food you're cooking that is stir fried, there must be dark sauce. If you want the food to come out good, use this. Just use soy sauce. That's the flavor of that food. Any stir fried potatoes or mashed potatoes or anything, spaghetti, mashed stir fried rice or anything. So I'm going to be using our curry. I've added our curry here, followed by our thyme. Just a bit of thyme. I don't like much of thyme in my food. Okay, then followed by our grounded or aka powdered pepper. Okay guys, see guys, easy. Okay, this is sweetened pepper. That means it is yaji, not the meat. I'm not a Yoruba person. Okay, I will add 2 spoons of pepper into my food. This is yaji. Okay, the sweetened type. Yes, the sweetened pepper. So I'm going to stir to combine. Just stir to combine. I'm going to add in a bit of our fish stock to give it taste. Not much, not plenty. We don't want her here. Just small, little bit of the fish stock and stir to combine. Now leave for some minutes, then add a bit of salt to taste, then combine again. Stir to combine again. Afterwards, I think after 5 minutes, it's time to also add our pasta. So we're going to be adding our pasta bit by bit because I want to add in our pasta bit by bit because you can't just add everything at once. You understand? We have to just make sure that when you put, just like fried rice, when you put the first one, you turn it, be sure that everything I've touched it before you now add another one to make sure the vegetable can coat everything at once. But if you put it everything at once like that, it might not just like vegetable might just settle only down. It will not settle up. But like I was saying, the vegetable will not coat all the pasta. So I'm going to add this pasta bit by bit until all the pasta is in the pot. Okay. Yeah, so we're going to continue stirring, combining them together, make sure everything mixes with the married the vegetables. You understand? Yeah, guys. You can see we're still stirring. We're still giving them much stir until I'm comfortable. Until you know that every vegetable I still add though, but I still yes, this is the last batch. I think so. This is last batch of the pasta. So I'm still combining. I think I'm done. I did everything, all the pasta. So now so I'm going to cover and leave to cook for 5 minutes straight. Okay. After 5 minutes now, I think the food is ready, guys. After 5 minutes, our pasta is done. This pasta was just prepared in less than 30 minutes and it came out so great. Okay. It's not one of those pastas I'm going to do. Those spaghetti I'm going to cook with this thing. It will just be full of water, nothing, guys. Like, see the way it is just so fresh, and the thing is just one. But the only regret I had is that I didn't just put it long. I just cut it, and which is just annoying, sha. But next time, whenever I go to make this stir fry pasta, it depends, sha. I want to leave it long, okay? If you use just, to me, it's just better whenever it's long. When it's longer, okay? So, guys, that's just it for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share with me your thoughts about this recipe in the comment section. Tell me whether I go to try this out to your house. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hand out to my other channel, Reason with Javi, and subscribe to there also. You can follow me on TikTok. Or at Times of January on TikTok, and also the same thing on Instagram. Okay, I'm going to catch up with you guys in my next video. Bye, see you soon, love you guys.